Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials: a primary account, a backup email or phone, and an authenticator app. Once done, sign into the account and open security or login settings. This is where two-step verification lives. Make sure your device has a lock enabled so second-factor tokens stay protected. Also generate or view recovery codes now and save them in a password manager or offline vault because they let you regain access if your phone is lost or reset. You then pick and activate the second factor, authenticator app, SMS, or a hardware security key. For an app, click Add, scan the QR code, or type the secret key manually. The app will start producing 6-digit codes. Once you enter a current code to verify, the account links to your authenticator. If you choose SMS, expect a one-time code sent to your phone. Enter it to confirm. Make sure to label device names so you can identify and manage them later. To finish, save recovery codes and store them securely. These are your last resort. Once saved, sign out and test signing in to confirm the two-step flow works from a different device. Make sure your primary and backup methods are listed in account settings so you can remove old phones. If you get locked out, try recovery codes first. If those fail, reach support and be ready to prove identity with account activity, billing info, or ID. This speeds recovery when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.